Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 4. I will do small revision of the previous sessions. In the session number 1, I covered what is the key points of the Python and who was the technical mind behind this technology, Guido van Rossum. I mean, simply history, theory part, and the installation of the lab. Installation of the lab. I provided two options. One, you can use install Python software. Otherwise, with help of the browser also, you can access, just log in with your mail ID, Colab. Colab tool, you can use it. This is a complete information about the session 1. There is nothing. Simple. What is the history? And then after installation part. And in the session number 2, I covered mainly print function. How to use the print function. So like when we give print in the double quotes or single quotes, as it is, it will print. And then after we created a variables also. If you want to print the variable value, don't write quotes. Only in the print function inside, directly write the variable name. If you want to print any text, write single or double quotes. Better to use single quotes, my suggestion. My suggestion. There is no meaning there is no difference between single quotes to double quotes. Both are same only. And this is about the session number 2 I covered. Even if you watch that 1 hour video, this is a main theme you will get. And come to session number 3. This is our last session. Here I covered how to create a variable. I created here a equal to final. The variable rules I covered. So actually variable A we are calling identifier. Rules for the variable name. And same time type function, ID function, print function. Already print came in day 2. ID will give the address location and type will give the data type. And Python variables are dynamic memory allocated variables. Even any one of you attending directly, just refer day 3. 1 and 2 also again I covered in the day 3. And today is the day 4 in for the morning and evening batches. Now we are going to start that part. Simple. Now, when we create a variable, any variable like assignment operator, this is we can call as assignment operator. Right side of assignment operator may be value or an expression also. I mean, a equal to 10 directly available or b equal to 2 plus 5. This is a one mathematical expression is involved, not straightforward value. There is a one value 10 is there here. Here it is not 7 directly. 2 plus 5 is there. So in this scenario, your assignment operator, first it will calculate right side expression. 2 plus 7, 5. Sorry, 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. Then after, the value will be loaded into B. Your assignment operator is powerful one. If straightforward value is there, happy. Nothing to do for the calculation. But when an expression is involved, it will calculate and store the result into B. After that, if you want to find out the data type of that variable, say I'm printing the variable value, print A, and data type, how to identify variable A data type, which function I can use. I want to print the data type.
Type.
type of variable name, type function and a. See, it is giving to you, skip the remaining keywords, which is in quotes, concentrate that name. Int it is showing. So we are not defining any data type, even though PVM is taking the based on the stored value, Python PVM is deciding the data type. These logic or this future only we will call as a dynamic variables approach or dynamic memory allocation approach, or sometimes we will call dynamic typed variables. Opposite to this one is a static. Best example is Java, C, C++. So if it is a C language, you have to tell that first of all, it is an integer. Then you can store the value. So really it is excellent. But I have one question. Like this type of int, how many data types we have? In Python, in Python, we have 14 built-in data types are available. This is a starting point of our complete courses. Today only I am starting this one. I am writing the names, but one by one I am going to explain detail in coming 20 hours. So int data type, float data type, boolean data type, complex, and none. This is a one category. Range, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict, str, bytes, byte array. These are the total 14 data types we have. So first five is completely, there is a proper classification is there. As of now, we are completely zero in this approach. Before going to start into data type, as of now, we know these three functions. Print function, print anything. Like other languages, printf, C language. ID function just it will give the variable address where it is located in the RAM. Address location. It is machine to machine, different ID you will get. My machine, I'm getting this
We're
big
not
number.
able to see the screen. Are you sharing your screen?
Yes.
Oh,
Guys, please confirm it. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yeah,
we
we are.
can.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes.
Yeah,
Maybe
we are
you can
good.
use the tab, Nilima. Just please use that tab. I think you are in Zoom application only still. Please check that one.
Let me log out and log in one more time. Yeah, sure.
Okay. ID function, just nothing. ID function, only I'm writing three names, but nothing to worry. Only our main, already we did so many things are examples I covered on the print function. But main thing, type and ID just add, type will print the which data type, which built-in data type. When you create a variable, which data type it is. Out of this 14, you will get any one of them. Really, is it limited to Python only 14? No. These are the built-in data types. But in future in the sense, I want to create my own data type also. So that is also possible with the help of the object concepts. Objects concept. Presently, we have these our built-in data type names. So where I can get this name? When you use type function of any variable, you will get some answer in this way. Here, I'm writing here word. Here means here maybe these 14 names, any one of them will come. Wherever I written here keyword, here in this 14, you will get any one of the name. But really, one statement is very clear. We no need to convert any variable or we no need to define any data type before using. Why? Because it is a dynamic typed programming language. So based on the stored value or assigned value, PVM will identify the data type name, right? But even though we need to get a expert level knowledge inside of this. So the first one I'm covering in today's session, number one, data type name is, see, my terminology is important. Data type, even built-in data type you can write. Data type name is integer, int. Data type name is int. Data type name only int, right? So what is the integer generally in the mathematics? Don't get any confusion. What is integer? Not point number. I agree. Not, this is not integer. 0.5 is this point fraction, not fraction part. 0.5 is a fraction part, or we can call decimal part. So not integer, not a fraction part. Okay, not fraction part means not this one. This is wrong. But what is integer? That is a still question. What is the integer? Hmm? What is the
Us-
integer?
Using for numbers.
Okay, 0 to 9. What is the integer? I mean, which numbers will come under the integer section? Example, in our school days, we have a natural numbers are there. Natural numbers. Starting from where? Starting from where?
0 to 9.
No. 1 to like that.
Okay.
Like this one we have. Similarly, like this we have natural numbers. Starts from 1. Yes. Next, we have a second one. All numbers are there. All numbers means all numbers, all number. The name itself is there. All number, all. The name itself is there. Whole number.
Zero.
0. That's all. 0, 0, and so on. Next, the question is today's topic. Integers.
-1, -2, -3
Excellent,
to
sir. Minus numbers like -3, -2, -1, and 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Every number. Yes, on the left side it will increase, right side it will increase. Two areas. There is no end point. Either side. Positive numbers from 1, 2, 3, and so on. These all are positive numbers. Positive numbers, I mean plus numbers. I mean, positive means plus numbers. -1, -2, -3, like that, negative numbers, along with 0. Along with 0. These three we can call as integers. Integers. Along with these three we can call as integers. Integers we can call. Integers. So all integers we can create it. We will try to create y equals to -9. What is the data type of capital Y? Is it integer? Yes. Is it right? Print value Y, data type of Y, address location, type of what is the ID of Y? Is it correct in the terms of syntax? Why I have to, everything is correct, please check. String, slowly observe, there is no hurry. String is perfect, first of all. String is perfect, this string.
Yes.
Yeah. Then variable. Directly I'm written variable. Next string.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct. And next one. Why we have two closings? So this is a closing of this one. ID function closing, type function closing. Everything is good. Quotes closing, quotes closing, quotes closing. String to variable separated by comma, variable to string separated by comma, string to function, or it is also some value it is going to print. Value, string to value, comma, value to string, comma. Yes, properly available. Is it going to work? Hmm? Even when I typed the last parenthesis bracket, you can see I'm getting some flash matching 1. Value -9, data type. Everyone able to understand whatever I written on the screen? Hmm? Is it
Yes,
fine?
Yes.
Yes.
Simple. Okay, now the question is how many ways we can create the integer data type? Okay, integer, okay, fine. How many ways we can create the int data type? There are two ways. One is a direct method and second one with help of int function. See, heading int data type, but with the same name, there is a int function also there. Int function also there. Direct method means whatever we are using till now, like x equal to 30. This is a direct method. Or y equal to 20 plus 5. So these two are direct methods. Okay, what is the answer I am going to get? 20 plus 5? Now, inside of this assignment, which one will execute first?
We can't because one is in int, one is string.
Yes.
it would throw another.
No, no. Yes, you are correct. My question is first assignment operator calculate this right side of it. Am I right?
Right. Yes.
Okay. But the problem is 20 plus 5. One is number, one is string. Is it possible to add?
No.
No. Error will come. Why?
Here.
Type error. So there is no data same type. Unsupported operand. This is a 1. So for place him, operand means values 20. This is a operand. Place is a operator. Valid. Really valid. Okay, what about now I will write in this way?
It is valid.
It's a valid.
It will be valid.
So what is the value it's going to store?
Y equal 25.
25.
25.
And it containing some address location, it
Yes.
containing data type, everything is valid. Simple. Direct method is very straightforward. So it should be both are same data type only. Okay, this is very easy, sir. To understand this concept, it is really very easy. And there is a one more also there, one more way to create a integer variable. Int function also helpful to you. Same variable, you can use int function. Int function you can write it. If you are not writing anything, only writing int function, tell me what is your expected value? What is your expected value inside of B?
Number.
Have I written anything?
No.
No. What is the answer? But it is showing as integer only. Na? So integer means definitely any one of this value. Am I right?
Yes.
Which value?
Yes.
By default, if you are not supplying anything, what is the default?
8 bit
Zero.
Zero.
Okay.
So now you can see C equals to int of 3. 3 only going to store. But sir, what is the use? Both are same only. No. Both are same only, but you need to observe carefully. These int function can take few things inside of it. So as of now, you are writing in this way, but inside of these area, you can supply so many other data types. Means as of now, what is this one? Which data type?
Float.
Float. If you give float, it will convert to integer. Means int function of 3.5 you are writing and storing that value into one variable. Int, please convert to integer. It's a number also. 3.5 is there. It is a fraction number or float number. So you are trying to converting to integer means it will completely skip decimal part. Even 0.9 is also there, it will skip. It won't think about what is after point. Are you getting my point?
A equal to 3.
Even you are thinking 3.9 means don't make it round number. Are you clear?
Yes.
It will completely skip the fraction part. So then what is the answer?
3.
Only the answer is 3. You can see b equals to int of 3 point some number. B, is it right?
Yes, sir.
C equals to int of 100.99999. See, skipping the remaining complete part or not? So
Yes, sir.
what is the int function duty? Int function doing what is that? A float number we can convert to integer with help of whom? With help of whom, sir?
Int
Int
data type.
function.
Int
Int function. Int function. This one clear to everyone, first part?
This is a type converter, sir, right?
Yes, typecasting we can call.
The type.
Is it clear, guys, everyone? Float number we can convert to integer? Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Sir, what is this one? Which data type? Simply, as a, remember one
String.
straightforward symbol.
String.
Anything in single quotes, double quotes. You don't see what is inside of it. If I'm directly writing, if I'm having any special symbol, that is different story. But if I'm writing anything in singular double quotes, like in this way, anything is, even you don't see what is inside of that one. Anything in singular double quotes are there, directly you can call that is a string. Okay. Now I have one question. What is this one, sir?
String.
String. What is this one? You can see it is string. Singular double quotes are there. You can call first of all string, then after second story. And what is inside of it? Second question. What is inside of it?
String.
It is string only. But what is inside of the value?
Number.
Number.
Which number?
Number.
Which number?
Natural number.
Natural number.
Oh, no. Natural number concept not there. Just I
Integer.
covered you. Only we have a starting point. String integer you can call.
Integer. Yes.
String integer. String integer. First of all, it is string. Second answer only string integer. String integer. Example, I am writing 3.43. First, blind it is a string. Then inside of it,
Float.
string float. Okay. What is this one, sir? 5a. First of all, it is string. Then
Alphanumeric.
can I call as an integer?
No.
No. Can I call
No.
as a string? No. It's a mixed, na?
Alpha. Yeah.
Mixing. One number, one alphabet. So string only. These three things are clear.
Suppose we can define the character, then we cannot define the character. Yes, sir. Any data type character.
Give me one example, sir.
Character means.
See, for example, then.
No, I'm asking the sir character data types.
No, no character like other languages. No, this is the only 12. Sorry, 14.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, now clear to string
Yes, sir.
integer, string float. These two words are clear to everyone. These two boxes are clear to everyone. These two boxes are clear. I am asking a question. 5 versus course 5. What is the first 5? What is the data type?
Integer.
Integer.
What about this one?
String.
String integer.
String integer.
String. Sorry.
String integer. It is a string integer. Excellent. Now it is not right time to discuss about the string, but I have one small question. I am writing one string Python plus space course. What is the output? You know, plus symbol will work when we add two numbers. Means 20 plus 5 is there, it is giving the answer in this way.
It
Yeah,
is
we
not
can't
work. It is not work.
Yes, but
Five
really it will work. Really it will work. Both are strings, there is no problem. Both are numbers. Plus symbol is very interesting one. If two numbers are there, it will find the sum. If two str or two strings are there, it will concatenate. Concatenating means, what is the meaning of concatenating?
Adding,
Side by
add
side.
two. Yeah.
Adding, just adding side by side. Not only two, you can write three also. Now I'm writing plus 3. Working? If I'm writing a number, string, but number na? Error, correct? Yes. If I remove the string, working?
Sir, if you include the 23 in the double quote, then what will
It will work.
happen?
It is a string. Definitely it will work. It
It
will
will
work.
add. It will
Ah,
add
it will
also.
work. Yes. It is a string only. Working?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Now the question is, what is the answer for this?
We can't write because both the data type is different.
Different. So error. Hmm? Type error. Error name is type.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. Now
59.
Okay. Any other inputs?
Both are strings, so it will treat as a string, so it will
59.
concatenate 59.
Should I call 59 or quotes 59?
Yeah,
59.
59.
Yeah, 59. Yeah.
In this way, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. But my requirement is I want to add these numbers. In my point, the two are numbers. So in that scenario, your into function also perform one more activity. Into function can convert string integer to integer. Are you getting my point? Please keep on mute. Someone is speaking outside of the class. Guys, are you clear about my question? Into function, if you give,
Yes, sir.
if you write anything the string integer, generally it is always available to you in the single quotes. So how this is going to convert? How this is going to
In
convert?
data,
Into
Yeah,
data
first
type
we write
value.
data type.
Into data type value, into variable. As an into variable, it will convert. See, if I'm writing quotes 5 only printing. Int of quotes 5, what is the answer? Sir, it is string integer. String integer. Converting to whom? Converting to whom?
integer.
So blindly remember one point. What is the use of int function? Converts other objects, other variables, or other data types into
Integer.
integer. Even tomorrow, if I ask float function means converts other values into float data type. Clear? This word is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Into function. How many ways I can create the integer? How many ways I can create the integer? How many ways I can create the integer? Two ways. Direct method with help of the into function. Into function. If you are not writing anything, default value loaded into A is 0. And int function can convert a float number to float. Now, a int function can convert. For example, k equal to 2. 2 is there. How it is going to convert? How it is going to convert? What is the data type after that? What is the output for K?
Integer.
Excellent. Type of K is int. This one clear to everyone? The voice is coming, sir. Okay. So please, your surroundings, please check. If you are in a special room, there is no disturbance. You can happily unmute and you can interact. Mainly interaction is important here. Now tell me, my question is, I want to get here 14 as an answer. What should I do? I want to get 14 as an answer, sir. What should I do now?
Remove the quotes and
If I remove that,
No,
it
no.
is, no.
Can you put the int both side? Int
No,
before.
not. Oh, yes.
Typecasting. We can do the typecasting. First, we connect
Int
that
of
string
this
to int.
number.
One and four.
And here
Again, int of this number, na?
Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Both are still strings only, but first which one will execute? This one is going to execute. What is the answer I am going to get here?
5.
Number 5 I am going to get. And here number 9. Then their addition and 14 is going to come. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can see? Can I store this result into one variable?
Yeah.
So first, assignment operator will execute its right side. It is in the form of number 5. So it is not quotes 5 after execution. Number 5, number 9, integer 5, integer 9, their sum and storing inside of C. This is C, print C, type C, ID C. Working? Working? Sir, only take integer only. Don't try this one presently. Error. Am I explaining to you point number? Float string? Am I explaining to you this one? Am I
No.
explaining to you point string? Float, string float? No. What I explained to you on the screen. Very clearly, integer string. You can see integer string are simply you can call first that is a string and should be integer. Tell me guys, now one point. What is the use of int function? 3 things I said. One is straightforward and another one is this one and another one is this one. Is this correct? All these 3 are correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the use of int function?
Calculate the value.
No. How many converts I did here?
3. 2 converts.
2. A float number, your int function b equal to int of 3.5, na?
Yeah.
A float number we
To
can
integer.
convert to integer by using int function. And see how to define c equal to int of 425.
String 20.
See, guys, I am reading how I am reading int of function time. You can use half word int of. So int function can convert string integer to integer. Is it right? Your string integer. Is it right? Can I call string integer or any confusion?
No, sir. It's
No,
correct.
sir.
If you give this value to string function, convert to integer number. Convert to integer number. Convert to integer number. Convert to integer number. Really excellent. And there is a one more function is there. Input function is there. Yes, guys. Any idea in C language? Any one of? If no idea, please skip that. Please skip this question. Any idea about scanf? If we don't have any idea, please skip this question. If you have idea, any one of you, what is the use of the scanf? Great. Input function.
For input is like providing the value.
Yes, taking the runtime. When we execute any program, runtime input purpose, we can use input function. Okay, 1 second. In the integer topic only I am covering, but this is common. Input function. Actually, we have to take a variable before that. So input function will execute at when we press the enter key, then only it will execute. You can write here anything to print on the screen. Enter in anything. There is no condition. Even you can skip it also. So enter a number. You can write in this. So this will be visible to you, to the user. Otherwise, it is optional. No need to write it. It is optional. You no need to write it. So int function we can use to take the runtime inputs. But problem is always input function takes input in the form of string only. Sir, what is that confusion? Let's see one activity. A equals to first enter. I'm writing enter a number. Same thing visible on the screen, guys. When you press enter, enter a number. This is executing. For example, I'm storing 50. When you press enter, when you press enter key, the 50 is going to store inside of A. Now, is it clear, guys? First of all, before going to proceed,
Yeah.
when you are providing the input at execution time or not? After pressing enter key or not? After pressing enter key only you are providing the value. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the runtime. Now, what is the value loaded inside of A? What is the value loaded inside of A?
String,
String. But what is you're expecting?
integer.
Integer. Sir, now you can see this line I'm writing on the screen. This is a command I written, one function. Even should I write this word? Should I write this word? Should I write this word last line, enter a number? Should I write that
Yes.
word? No, not required. See, 25. Loaded B 25 or not? Am I written anything like above?
But it
No.
is default is integer, right?
No, not
No,
in
no,
this. Sir, input function I am writing. Here I written some string between this one, green color. Am I right?
Mm.
Is it mandatory to write?
No.
no.
No. But if you write, what is the benefit?
No.
If you write inside of it, for example, you are expecting one number. If I am writing in this way, it is better or not to end user easily understand or not?
Yes, yes.
Enter your age. It is very easy to understand. When you press enter key, a same statement printing on the screen. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can easily understand. Okay, y is loaded. But what is the problem with int function? Sorry, input function.
String
It
one.
always give the string.
Always reading in the form of string only. You can read this statement. Int function is there. Always input function takes the input in the form of str only. Str only. I am writing in this way. You can see like a equal to input, enter your age. Enter your age. After that, I am pressing the enter key, guys. Pressing the enter key. I am pressing the enter key after this line. Then what I will get on the screen? What I will get on the screen?
Enter your
Enter
age.
your
Your
age.
age.
Enter your age. Okay, you are is missing. Your age. Example, I am providing 25. 25 I am providing. So this command will take this command. Then after you are providing, you are pressing enter key after this. Then how the PVM will treat na? When you press enter key, second enter key, this will be stored in the form of in this way. This is going to store in the form of string only. Why? Because input function nature only reading any value in the form of string. Okay, can I convert to this one number if I put some
Yes.
input? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. But where can I put here also? Can I put here also?
You can put a is equal to int, then input.
Int.
Input function and its closing. This is one interesting. Yes, I written these brackets into function. You can see like this expression only converted. Input function inside which function you have?
Integer.
Sorry, into function inside which function you have?
String.
String
Into
integer.
function inside which function you have?
Input.
Input.
Input. First
Oh.
internal function will execute. Internal function will execute inside function. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? First internal one will execute. What is the answer for this? Enter age. I am providing 25. So how the 25 will come? How the 25 will come?
Integer.
No. How the 25 will come? In the form of string? Yes.
Yes.
Then after?
Integer.
Into integer.
Guys, are you following properly?
Then convert into integer. 25.
Then this is totally going to convert to integer.
Integer.
Yes. So one more time. So this is internal execution. Internal execution of the following code. I'm writing x int of input of enter a number. So why we are using two closing brackets, guys? One is for
Integer.
Integer.
integer, and second one, first which function will execute?
Input.
Input function. Step one, step one, step one, step one. Input of you will get some on the screen. Input function. Input function. Enter a number. Enter a number. You will get enter a number. So for this prompt will come enter a number. Enter a number you will get. Enter a number. Example, I'm writing 33. So 33 loaded, stored as a quotes double three. Quotes double three means after that your execution will be in this way. Remove this. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this?
33.
33.
33. So into function having one capability. I written. What is the capability?
String integer.
String to
So
integer.
integer can convert string integer to integer. Into function can convert. Into function can convert string integer to integer. Are you agree this for?
Yes.
Okay. Then what is the step 2? What is the step 2? Step 2 into
It will
function.
convert.
Int function of 33. So directly this is not visible to you, but I am writing for your more information. Convert string integer to string. It's a one word. Don't divide it. String integer, one word. This is one word only. Don't write a string integer, not two words. String integer into integer. If it is a proper number, it is okay. Otherwise, sir, I am writing in this way. What is the answer?
For FOUR.
Am I explain to you the word is going to characteristic is going to convert the number?
No.
What your int function knows as of now? A float number and a string number. Am I right? These two only I covered. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
If I write anything in the words, is it going to convert to as a number?
No.
No.
No, error. This is beautiful error. Beautiful error. It is not base 10 numbers. Okay. So what is the second step? Convert string integer to integer. So int of force double three become as number 33. Next, what is the step number 3? Yes, X equal to 33. So PVM stores 33 into the RAM. Yes? Is it right? All these three steps to everyone?
Yeah.
So now onwards, y equals to int of first write into function. Again inside input function. No confusion. Simple way.
Mm.
First, why you have to taking into function directly? Why you are not taking only input function? Why int? Sir, why you are writing before int?
Need to convert the string to integer.
Why should I convert, sir? Directly I will take this one. It won't work. Huh? It will work, but problem is
Only is integer data type.
so the not problem. Your input function nature is always read anything in the form of
String.
string only. The problem is if you want string, you can take it. For example, I take the name only. Enter your name. What is the character data type for the name? Huh? What is the data type for the name? Generally, what is the data type for name?
String.
String. You are expecting also string. Happy. But am I expecting here string or number?
Number.
Number. That's why we are doing the typecasting. This is we can call as a typecasting. What is the typecasting, guys? What is the typecasting? Converting one data type to another data type. This is a normal definition only. Typecasting. Typecasting. Typecasting means converting one data type value to
Another data type.
another data type. Here, int of 3.5 is there. Instead of this, just I written today input function. Input function. Enter a value. So converts string integer to integer. Okay. M equals to int of input of, if you write in this way confusion, first to write into function. Come inside parenthesis bracket. Input function. Optionally you can write anything. Hi only it will print. Printing message just for understanding purpose. It should write capital or enter. No, optional. Completely skip that. Completely skip that. But observe the data type of M. Yes. So tell me guys, how many use we can use into function as of now? There are two ways we can create the int variable. One is direct method, into function. So if you are not writing anything, default value is 0. And not only this, into function can convert a float number to integer, and into function can convert a string integer to integer. And there is a one more function is there, input function. There is no story to integer to input function. Input function we can take runtime inputs. Runtime inputs we can take from the input function. Runtime inputs means you can observe here. If you go to the Python ideally, go to file, new file, you will get a new file and save this file immediately. Save. Some name. My program. See, automatically extension came. Options, go to options. You will get for more help purpose line numbers. I'm writing in this way. Var1 or a equal to int of input of enter first number. Blink came. Second one, same thing. Int of input of enter second number. I'm taking one variable, adding this to print. Result is, see, this one clear to everyone, guys? Any confusion?
No.
First, this one, example, I'm providing 10. codes 10 is converted to number. Am I right?
Yeah.
If I'm providing 10, actually 10 will taken by in this way by your input function. Then after how, what is the use of int?
Convert to string to integer.
Integer. Same thing for B. And what is the action for the line number 3? Who is going to execute first here?
Right side.
Right side.
Right.
Example here, if I'm providing codes 20, it is converted to number 20. Am I right?
Yes.
Sir, anything if you write hash symbol, that is a comment line. It never executes. And 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is loaded into C. Line number 4 is correct. String, comma C. Is it right?
Yes.
First save this program. If now after saving into one name, still some changes we did. Guys, then after go to run, press first option. Otherwise press F5 also. You can see the output are able to see in the ideally whatever you written after pressing F5 are able to see the output on this screen. Yes. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Enter first number 10. Enter second number. This is the use of your input function. One more time. F5. Now I am going to press F5.
Mm.
Some different number 35. Some number working. Guys, are you able to understand what is the exact runtime means? In the ideally you are not getting that feeling, correct? One line.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to create a program, first what I have to do? In the ideally, file, new file. Write your code, these 3 lines. This code is hard or very difficult or very easy? Huh? Sir, what is that?
Sir, can we see the in the one place code and as well as output
You can
in
use
ideally?
Colab you can use it, sir.
Which one, sir?
Colab.
Colab.
Okay, I think is it first session you're attending?
No. Oh, this is online, sir, right? Not online, sir. I'm talking, sir. In the prompt. We cannot hear you. You are in mute, sir.
We are not able to hear you if you
Yeah,
are
he's in
saying
mute.
something.
Sorry guys. So if I remove the codes, will it work? Again, I am asking if for example, this is my program. Sir, now this code will work or not? Please confirm it.
It will work.
If I'm providing a number, example, I'm providing 20. How the 20 is going to store inside of A?
Okay.
Please check the code and give that answer. How the
No, not in string.
No, it doesn't work. It stores as a
Two,
string.
3, it's 2010. If starting with 20, 10, and then it will store as string.
Mm-hmm.
excellent, right? Your answer is correct. I mean, this is if I give a number 10, example or 23, it is going to code single quotes 2, 3. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? And here I'm providing 20. What is the answer I'm going to get in the C?
2320.
2, 3
23
plus 2, 0.
20.
What is the answer? 2, 3 quotes 2, 3,
20.
2, 0. Is it right?
Yes.
Working, but not like our expected answer. Am I right?
Mm.
So what is the problem? Not problem. Input function nature is anything it takes as a
String.
integer only. Sorry, string only. You're correct. String only. What is the solution? What is the solution?
Int.
Int function.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
string.
can I write in this way, sir? Is it okay? Why I should write there? Can I write here? Huh? Can I write here?
Mm.
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Yes, this is also correct. It is also correct. You can see 23 string 20 string, but you are converting here or not? This one only I
No.
directly written. What is the A data type?
String.
String. So it is a variable. Don't write in double quotes, guys. It's a variable. Never write variable in quotes here. Variable. It is a variable. A inside you have quotes to 3. You're writing A only, but A inside you have a 2, 3. Again, don't write A is a variable string. I will write in this way. No, 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 no. It's a variable. Directly write it. No quotes. This is a one way correct. Otherwise, otherwise, otherwise. What is another one?
Int. We can define the int.
Here
with the-
before that, int of closing bracket before comment lines. Here also int of that's all.
Mm.
Which is easy to you? Which is easy to you?
First one. Huh? Anything.
Anything is fine. First one or second one, but anything. But concept is int function can convert a float to integer. Int function can convert string. These small words leads to you almost 1 hour, guys. 1 hour discussion. Are you able to understand? Only string integer concept from there. Input function came from there. Typecasting came from there. This program came. Are you able to understand these 4 lines of code, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, no need really extra variable also. If you see, this variable also not required. In the friend function, directly write a plus b also. It will work. No need extra variable. 35, 24. Yes, working. But reality should keep into one variable. Why? Because somewhere I will use this variable in my program. Somewhere we may use that value. Fine. Guys, those who are attending today, please refer video number 3 and today session. Right?
Yes.
So I will share these programs also, but it is very easy. Try to write from your end also. Please try to and never ever start first line with a space indentation like in this way. Sir, it is not working. It never works. Why? Because why you're giving first line, first character as a space, not first line. Any line you should not start with spaces. See, proper indentation is there. A, B, C, D are they are on same line. You can see properly available. Huh? Okay, great. So that's all for today, and we are going to connect tomorrow. Still, if you have a confusion, please attend 9 p.m. live training. Otherwise, just go through the recorded video. I will upload this recorded video less than 30 minutes. Thank you, guys. We will connect tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.